Hey garden enthusiasts! Today I'm sharing the top 8 vegetables you can easily grow this summer. Let's get started! Growing your own vegetables is not only rewarding, but also ensures you have fresh produce right at your fingertips. Let's dive into the details of each vegetable. First up, tomatoes. These sun-loving veggies thrive in warm weather and produce a bountiful harvest. Just make sure to give them plenty of sunlight and water. Tomatoes are versatile and can be used in salads, sauces, and even grilled. They are rich in vitamins A and C, making them a healthy addition to your diet. Next, cucumbers. They grow fast and are perfect for fresh salads. Plant them in well-drained soil and watch them flourish. Cucumbers are hydrating and low in calories, making them a great snack. They also contain antioxidants that help in reducing inflammation. Third, bell peppers. They add vibrant color and flavor to your dishes. Bell peppers love the heat, so give them a sunny spot in your garden. Bell peppers are packed with vitamins A and C, and they come in various colors like red, yellow, and green, each with its unique flavor. Zucchini is another summer favorite. They're easy to grow and can produce a lot. Harvest them when they're young for the best taste. Zucchini is versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to baked goods. They are also a good source of vitamin C and potassium. Fifth, green beans. They're low maintenance and grow quickly. You can enjoy them fresh or cooked in various recipes. Green beans are rich in fiber and vitamins A, C, and K. They are also a good source of folic acid, which is essential for cell growth. Sixth, basil. While technically an herb, it's a summer staple. Plant it near your tomatoes for a perfect pairing. Basil is not only flavorful, but also has anti-inflammatory properties. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from pesto to salads. Lettuce is a great choice for summer salads. Plant different varieties for a mix of flavors and textures. Lettuce is low in calories and high in water content, making it a hydrating addition to your meals. It also contains vitamins A and K. Lastly, radishes. They grow super fast, ready to harvest in just a few weeks. Perfect for adding a crunchy bite to your meals. Radishes are rich in antioxidants and minerals like calcium and potassium. They also help in reducing blood pressure and improving blood flow. There you have it! The top 8 vegetables you can easily grow this summer. Give them a try and enjoy fresh homegrown produce. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching! Growing your own vegetables is a rewarding experience that not only provides you with fresh produce, but also helps in reducing your carbon footprint. Happy gardening!